Mama chia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ama odo bi so nsem a yebobo no anopai ye bade babe so mo nsem no doso na poso enie mampedi na nadudan kwa kufodo enra Ghana Police Service wa kwa kodum mo kaya ebeboa mo madwuma wo mo ye no etimi asipi asitade ama wunum
Ghana baya tubo force won kwa China memo kwa srasa ne baya wo man ne bosia wo doya ya brono wo mo edebecheye
na NDC mrasojafo no so chese enra wo mo hu jiri wo mo pa wa Brian Papa Reverend Kusi Boate edi okuje to black kwa jina koto na koto no fra asam no a wansi won mo chese wo mo hu jiri wo mo enra pa
pensioner bondholders forum one mo so dia to just wo ben yase power bejoku a wo mo se kasam no wo mbehweso
na mraso adwani o wo mraso adwafie ma de so mo nhye so abaton pesu so amampede ne nado abori di sem mraso adwafo gine tumu a wo kwa so afo obedi ekira o my God ye fidi nyuma ne dwadie obehweso no wo chese maslok sika no ne jije kwaye din wa bra COVID-19 ebebomu
on monyafo Frank no don pranso dia to don kuma no anim wo mraso adwafie waso wasra da bana panfo ya wapa wo mo no wanyi won nyina antum
abuzafo weni afufro pi ni akekese ne se kase a bia wo bia na no pe ye ba ne dia ba besomo ye de ne sign na ya bo amali boga no pe mene
akosia eje wakode boaten ya fasada mamizo and 5G drink wo mo nyumaku ahodo a wo maso ya senebre pam wo mo nyina ho nsempa ye de betuja
abuzafo ye se kase na semfam free man pedin na adodan kwaku fo ado chima PC be ma boda na tena ye nenra Ghana Police Service for no kodum mo kaya ebebo mo madwuma ya wo mo ye no etimi ACPC tadiama wunum nenra man pedin na adodan kwaku fo ado wo kono na pickup si okuta makomako wo 100 eno de koduma posifo no sa so na fidie tetafo moto sakre no okuta makomako eye 600 ya wode ekoduma posifo no ena ba ku bia yesi aposifo no ka mumuru ntumbia wo betimi die gina akono ne ade ye frɛ na eye amod personal career so no wode be insia ena ekodum posifo no na mamperi na adodan kwakufo do edade ama wonum no ena osro mo se ne nyina eye se be no my Ghana ye bampo ewo mayimum ebesi PSC tantu obesre wonum se we no ode adum wonum sa no enye se bi omudi begun kran no omudi abedwa manfo asum wo sam omo ntremfa bi nkokuma se emfa bi nkosunyan emfa bi nko ahafo wo my Ghana fa na nyino omfa bi nko odomo se be na bampo no ombetimi amiem na etimi abama Ghana fo ye da yetimi adakakra mampani na nadodan kwakufo ado
be spread across 140 bases in various communities in all the regions. Without any doubt, their presence will enhance greatly security, law and order in the country. I want to urge the officers, men and women, who are going to serve in the LPUs across the region, to undertake their duties with utmost professionalism. Show love and civility to the communities you will be in, but at the same time, do your work without fear or favor. Always remember that you are accountable to the good people of God. Ladies and gentlemen, it is refreshing to observe the numerous renovations and changes that have been carried out on the frontage and the immediate surroundings of the police headquarters.
Mampani na nadodan kwaku ne yetene nka no we yemra enra wokoka posifo no yesi aposifo no kra headquarters e wonkra pompire mantem no sesi wo masiesie asini mu no kyean o enra soso duru honom no obi ano a sesi dia posifo no betima kwa akotena mu no mo adidwuma honom
Ghana by apa pamfa ho drobe ya one more kwa China memu na one more kwa hwese wa man no bosia ho do ya bro no wo betimi de dodo no akyeye se ye beye na debt exchange program dwumadie ya die na IMF nso ehun hye ne nyina da betumi awie peye na sampanyifo ya one more kwa wa Ghana wasofo ya hwe man ne sika sam so ye rakeno frata wona na hwe no wadi animu se ne be na ho tutue nyina da ebetumi awie peye enam so ama ye rakero frata dia kwa to dwa wona China swafo ye friend say Xinjiang ni dini o se friend say Xinjiang akwa kwodi nkomo ya enei wo kire mu osa enano kra no baboa sane ye be ya wo ma Ghana ye bosia bo ahodo ni nyina da wo betimi ededo ya kyeyen.
presence of the finance minister in town. Last week we had some 10 or so parliamentarians, and today we have the two federal ministers with us. So clearly the relationship that you have built is yielding fruits. And it's at a very important time given where we are with the IMF program and to make sure that it is successful. Mr. President, we have, as you know, in December, we're able to secure the staff level agreement in record time so that we set up the macro issues. And then the second part was working out a debt treatment, which you know last week we concluded with the domestic debt treatment and already began the discussions with the Paris Club, which is a very important part of ensuring that we get to the board by mid-March. The issue of the common framework has been problematic for Africa, Zambia.
Chino German so for so akasa ya wacha se wamabwa Ghana pa amo mine obosia boy ya Bruno e won si ho wodro ya China for je ni nyinata wobetumi e dia chaye.
Really important to stay in close contact together because we're working together, Ghana and Germany, in a partnership over years and visiting each other, getting in contact, having the opportunity to work on this friendship. That is really important for us. And Mr. President, I would like to thank you that you do the journey to Munich, to the Munich Security Conference, because Germany always advocate that the African continent having a strong voice on this conference. It is not just about the war in Ukraine, it is also about the problems that we see here on the African continent that needs to be discussed together. You do that. I know you visit our Chancellor, and it is very important also to discuss what is going on here. I know that Ghana is really hard fighting against the spillover effect from Sahel.
I was sure my Ghana was about ya broya koto asra China mano se wombe to media China ho sembi ene yekoti
yan to aso ne famon ko my Ghana isika krabi about time Bank of Ghana wo matena ye na wo masese afi 2022 year twamui ni padodo ekoje bosia all banks ahodo a wono man kwankotua ya kwasi broni kan sa akwa bad debt ya da bank ne so nam so bia babeka Bank of Ghana mpeni for no mo kire se afi 2022 na twam no ye be $5.9 billion bosia amount for kokoji ye no no wo mantua sisi ababe ya deso abeto Bank of Ghana mpeni for eso a wo mo ehwene mu sa fi 2023 ya remu yi enhihie bia wo so mo ye ema amount for koje loans or banks a wo betimi atua no wono mo ebeye enam so ema yewra Prince Obriye boa wa bere wo sikasam no ntutue mu ye no edi nkomo busa na sente koba ne se ya wo mo ekoje bosia no a na ebia odi na japade bia kwa kosia wo wa ene wo mo soso a wo mo kopa amanfo bedi agiramu ma wo num no na eba ne se nie ene wo chese se wo yo bia wo ta ye sa de no a ya hweye pa na nya koje bosia no wantua efiri obewu efiri asase so no wa hwe ya bosia pa de bosia enya de bank bi ebetimi de bi ama wo biewu.
So Ghana mra kunimu a ema Bank of Ghana tumi se niema bi esikasem wo my Ghana mu no omu na nhwe enye ho hyehye and ohwe Bank of Ghana tumi so a according to the Banking and the Special Deposit Act 930 of 2016 ema Bank of Ghana tumi so obeyan hyehye bia se de bema sikasem ho kontabu ene ho ntotoe aye pepepe enam sa tumi dia Ghana mera edi ashensa under the Act 930 no Emma Bank of Ghana yem hyehye se bank bi owo my Ghana mu osika semu anaso obi ba na se obegi loan a oden hyehye ato ho esese mo fa so edi so di kai the normal standard is that busia bi a wo kwa akwaje free bank mu no within a day di kai the first 30 days emremu no yes we so make 1% provision for bad debt. There a toso 31 days, ekopim 90 days, olem, and in that order, you was substandard, doubtful, and debt.
Abusia Penny Prince Obriye boani etene kanebani sikasam ne ho ntutuye mu a wodwade nyina wabene mu pa.
Pensioner bondholders forum one mo so dia to Ghana by a name chirem sa one mo sika wo do ya da won mahunya nam ye ne agi hini ne won besre pa sanka one mo nya badwoko ye wo betumi ahwa toto sa sika no sa ne ba na da nyina hunya nam no one mo sa betumi aka anka wo mani abaje hu Dr. Edu Ananiantwi wono ye convener edema ko enu na Sompa kase ti nkomo a wo church nsemu editre nsi
committee no me ankasa na me de adwen no aba na forum no so esmoka na chi esa adwen me de aba no adwen papa nti di kan no no me ada me chance hu se yehia sa committee obehwe se eniema yen a ye de esika kobo aban besia no yes ye be se ne esesa aban ye na ma ye besia de aban no ho se ma ho tutua eso yina obetumi agiso na se group bi na se SSA tu aban for our plan bi so a se ba ya obetumi ayen tutua ama yen sika won kono betumi di ho edwuma yi a ne ama no se futu no yenya sa committee na e wo ho abo aban besia no ma aba ban besia titiri Ghana ha no banks for nyina kabumba ko insurance company kabumba securities market for kabumba and pension funds for so kabumba.
Dr. Edu Ananiantwi aye convener dema Pensioner Bondholders Forum and yate se wakasa chechimu afa committee a wom so saban powder ma wom a ebeboa wom
yanto so na yemfam nkomra so ejefie mu na yedemo ekọ mraso ejani owo mraso ejefie ma de so mo of tonga baton pesia so onabo Samuel Kujeto Ablakwa na tena ye na omo no tua se watam ye papa Reverend Kusibuaten akwa kogina sraje se National Cathedral na yesie no ya oye board member wo so no omo efise no dwumadi a wodi wo honom no emo enhyeda na honom papa ntie be ya sraje mpenim fom fisim enu dwimu ba ba mu nhwehwem no mo mfa ho nsem metu bedwasere na mansan enyina eni hu ne ekoso o National Cathedral sikagigye eni ni siemu na sraje mpenim fom ko asem no so emu wa na yete se Reverend Kusibuaten edemrase geni na kwa kugina court se eye enim guase ne eye kwasibro ni kan se the privacy a wo rewremu no ho behia se court beka ho asem enum a ene yete se omo de nsamankrata kwa akoma mrase geni o mrase ge fie ma de hia omo no tonga baton pesu so Kujeto Ablakwa papa wan so krata enim ebutu krata ne to baabi a chese eba ye ne chese amanfo pinu a kasa e de fon se ekobasa na wa mu court no titiru ne se wo ye mrase geni a omo na hwe ehemra ema court no de adwuma na se bia court akrache for the nkrata bro na se obeyese ya wo pani na yese yi na wo temra ehemra ebumra na wo yese na ne nkwada wo munye deni enam so ma court kotena asem no so na nura court ko na court ye ne se ekori ampanim for fa so e de krata nsama nkrata no ekoma Kujeto Ablakwa no entweye eno ntebe ya Reverend Victor Kusibuaten na lawyer for enhwe se ombefa kwampapa so no de krata no akwakoma yewura Kujeto Ablakwa nsana se court no betima atena asem no so edi asem no a woma atena asem no so edi asem no afri hono na NDC mraso dwafo enura womo kogu court hono ma kire se womo hu dwiri womo pa se enura Reverend Kusibuaten no ono ade asem ne beda court no wansi court hono na ope baabi efae
Interestingly, we are here this morning because our distinguished honorable member of parliament, Kujeto Ablakwa, who has dedicated his life in fighting for the right things done for the country, in fighting for corruption, in ensuring that our constitution is upheld. Mr. Adu Jemfi in court, but instead, you know who was in court? The man who was fighting for the right thing for Ghana, Kujeto Ablakwa. And that is why you are all here. That is why you see all the crowd here. The people of Ghana are committed and support all the right things he's fighting for. The minority in parliament stands strongly behind him. And we want to make it clear. Today we went to court, it was obvious that the people who took us to court are running away from their own application.
Abusia wa yamraso adwani a wamraso yefie ma de se omo lembela baton pesu so no akro no a na ye penin pa be de yekira edom kuma wo mraso yefie msese no wodi wonu manim honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua ene yete ne nka no
anro da pamfa wo dro ya ban pa wo mo no dodo no a ekwamra shebe dwafie kwakotena semma do so ko no toto one no ewa sa adwuma no wombetumi aya na se wontumi and I'm so my majority chief whip ya omra shebe dwafie wono akro ya kwansa wo madoji abato mpeso so emra shebe dwani yera Frank anodom pradia to dom kuma no anim asrasa daworoma wabasira don kuma na pa sa pamfo no aba na pa wo mo no wo nyina batumi aka bom wo se yefrokrom ade na wo magye won matum wase wo hwemu adodo no akwa emra hye badwafo enseduru mra bi na so mo dan no mati kwade ma wo mo a na kyese nyoma antwa yi.
Okay, so there have been back and forth arguments about the merits and demerits in this directive. I am just appealing to our colleagues. I am not basing my appeal on any constitutional provision. Of course, we all know the requirements, what it takes to become a minister of state, a member of parliament. These things are spelled out clearly in the constitution. I just want our colleagues to understand that for the sake of the unity and the desire for us to forge a working relationship, and this is their major decision, major in terms of the fact that, okay, since they come into leadership, this is the first time, more or less, they are going to make such a significant decision. On the House floor today, I have made an appeal that they should so-called temper justice with mercy. That is not the right expression to use in this context, because I don't see the relevance of this. But I'm just saying that they should just let go, support the nominees, let's pass them. Primarily, all these nominees, the Honorable Brian, the Honorable Katie Hammond.
Nera turning Kayan Sauma Doji Mashebajani, one for Frank and no dump.
I was saying for Cassian ko ye a warm raswejani on so rasweje firma this woman share so abattoir empesua so ampenny Nanado Danko Kufuad watchman PSA Bema po dabuni din sending your number rasweja for Jini Tumua one quiet swafa bedi chiro banye ye feeding human dready hunsam so obeheso Dr. Stephen Amwa Dodona Sarmane says Tekanatina ye na enra okopie appointment committee nanim emomudo so no a busebusa nsem tuto na no afan na edu baby no mo kwa kobusa no so mbe kai pa se mrebi na anu ya mampani akufu ado amamu na edikan no na ye penin pa ohwe maslog so na obomoden pa maslog sika no ogigi ya ko nanim na koba na se edu baby ase ne nsa kokko gine ye sika na afi wontimi nye ene wo chese bo minuanom enyambia o kwabra 19 no abesin se wiemu no a afi na di amansan ye kotototototo no na ukobi nche kokko gisika na nye ye ntero no ka obi ene masika gigye no etunsuo musa no.
When you took over Maslog, there was an impressive report of recovery of debts from about 60%. But by 2019, it came down again to below 50%. What's happened?
Thank you, Chairman. What my honorable member of parliament is saying, colleague, is true. We had a pilot project and we were actually hitting around 90%, as he's saying. But by 2019, we realized that the entire economy and our market had been actually affected by the global crisis. By 2019, we had actually extended or expanded our outlays to the beneficiaries. When we were getting about 90%, it was just about Greater Accra and 2 areas in Eastern region. But by 2020, we had covered almost every district in Ghana. And definitely recovery, as we all know, became quite difficult to actually attain in terms of our goal.
Abusia wa yemra so adwani o wamra so adwafie ma desia wo nhia so abato empesua so mampani abonidin seni nuanom mra so adwafo no gini tumu a wonkoye so afo abedi ekira obehwe mfidi nyuma ene dwade hu nsensem so Dr. Stephen Amwa dodo na asarmrane sestika ene yete ne nka no yenyina wi so na no payinsem e papa no ede ebesom no yemfa ensi na sedema rempemasi edu yemfa ma mizo fruit drinks e wonya bi no ano no mebeboa pa ye wona nka ho ye wona mango ho ye wona apple ho ye wona pineapple ho ene ye wona melon so ho no mo ne yesa so ne yaka fruits ni nyina bom wonya bi na no no mebeboa pa for 0246200221 0246 270221 na ene mpedimfo ni hu nkomo na besesa dodo no a ekotu kotoma mansanya bi ento omahene etenase ene ukwada oba no aba be kawasem midende yabo amali bi aboga no pemene
akosia eje wakode boatin